Number 3. Hiding the fasteners. Fasteners can often ruin the sleek look of your woodworking project. This trick will help you disappear those unsightly details, resulting in a finished piece so perfect that no one will ever notice the screws. Tip number 4. Joining wood at right angles without a machine. Think you need a woodworking machine to join wood at a 90-degree angle? Join me as we explore a creative idea that lets you align a board perfectly at a right angle even with just basic tools. Simple, yet effective. Tip number 5. Precisely aligning two boards. Accuracy is key when connecting two boards in a perfectly straight line, which is essential for a professional finish. This tip will leave you amazed with its precision, ensuring each joint is seamlessly aligned down to the finest detail. Tip number